Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.